Apple will unveil its new iPhone 16 lineup in a range of new colors later this year in the fall. Here are all the rumored colors so far for the 4 models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. In the last few years, iPhone lineups have launched with 5 color options. This year, Apple could buck that trend for the 6.1-inch iPhone 16 and 6.7-inch iPhone 16 Plus. At least one of the standard models will come in more color options than ever before, claims one rumor. According to the Weibo-based leaker, Fixed Focus Digital, Apple's upcoming larger 6.7-inch iPhone 16 Plus model will come in as many as 7 colors that either build upon the existing 5 colors in the standard iPhone 15 lineup or recast them in a new finish. The leaker in question did not provide any more context for the rumor beyond the model name. Therefore, it needs to be clarified if they claim that the 7 color options are exclusive to the iPhone 16 Plus. On the other hand, the leaker may have only seen materials for the larger device in the supply chain, in which case the same colors could also be coming to the smaller 6.1-inch iPhone 16. Given that the 2 models are expected to be identical apart from their size difference, this possibility seems the most likely. Note that this is the first rumor we have received about potential colors for the standard iPhone 16 models, and the leaker has an unproven track record for accurate leaks, so the alleged colors need corroboration from other sources before we can definitively say they are coming. Apple typically chooses 4 cooler-toned colors for its iPhone Pro models. For last year's iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, for example, Apple introduced a titanium chassis that came in 4 muted finishes: natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. According to one rumor out of China, the existing blue titanium color will be dropped from the iPhone 16 Pro lineup in favor of a new rose titanium color, while black titanium will allegedly be replaced with a space black color, which is said to be similar to the iPhone 14 Pro color of the same name. Additionally, the same source claims that the natural and white titanium colors will be slightly different on the iPhone 16 Pro models. Natural titanium is said to be returning, but with more of a gray tint to it. Meanwhile, white titanium will appear more like a silver-white color, which is also said to be similar to the silver version of the iPhone 14 Pro. Last year, Apple surprised some iPhone fans by not offering a gold option. Gold was available through the iPhone 5S to the iPhone 8 and then on the iPhone XS to the iPhone 14 Pro. Given the popularity of gold, the rumored new rose color could well be the titanium version of a gold-like shade. According to a rumor from another source, the iPhone 16 Pro models will be available in desert titanium and titanium gray color options. These names suggest there could be some overlap with the separately rumored rose color and the tweaked natural titanium. In another twist, a recent rumor out of Korea claimed that Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models will use an improved process for finishing and coloring titanium. According to the source, the new process will make the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max looks more polished than the iPhone 15 Pro models, which have a brushed finish. The improved manufacturing process will allegedly result in a glossy appearance that is more akin to the heavily polished stainless steel material used in earlier Pro devices before the iPhone 15 series. However, the new titanium finish will be less prone to scratches compared to stainless steel. We are still around 5 months away from Apple announcing the iPhone 16 series, so a lot can change in the meantime, and we could see additional rumors that corroborate or conflict with those we have uncovered so far. Either way, we will keep up to date with any subsequent developments, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts about upcoming new colors for the iPhone 16 series. As anticipation builds for Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 series, the rumor mill has highlighted some potential camera upgrades that could change how we use our iPhones for photography. The camera system has always been a cornerstone of Apple's iPhone, and this year Apple appears set to push the envelope even further. As the iPhone 16 launch in September approaches, all eyes will be on how the upgrades might maintain Apple's competitive edge in an increasingly crowded market. Here I will tell you about 6 major camera upgrades of upcoming iPhone 16 models. Make sure to subscribe for more updates like that, and first talk about the vertical camera layout. Apple's iPhone 16 base models will feature a vertical camera arrangement with a pill-shaped raised surface, instead of a diagonal camera arrangement like the iPhone 15. The new camera bump features 2 separate camera rings for the wide and ultra-wide cameras. The vertical camera layout is expected to enable spatial video recording, which is currently limited to the iPhone 15 Pro models. The next upgrade is the ultra-wide lens. The iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to feature an upgraded 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera lens, which would allow it to capture more light, resulting in improved photos when shooting in 0.5 times mode, especially in low-light environments. This also means that iPhone 16 Pro models should be able to shoot 48-megapixel Pro RAW photos in ultra-wide mode. These photos retain more detail in the image file for more editing flexibility and can be printed in large sizes. Both iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to feature 5x optical zoom, which is currently exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro Max Apple's Tetra. Prism lens system has a folded design that allows it to fit inside the smartphone, enabling up to 5x optical zoom and up to 25x digital zoom. In contrast, the current smaller iPhone 15 Pro is limited to up to 3x optical zoom, which is in line with the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Apple is said to be testing a new anti-reflective optical coating technology for its iPhone cameras that could improve the quality of photos by reducing artifacts like lens flare and ghosting. Apple plans to bring new atomic layer deposition equipment into the iPhone camera lens manufacturing process to apply the coating. ALD-applied materials can also protect against environmental damage to the camera lens system without affecting the sensor's ability to capture light effectively. All iPhone 16 models will have a new camera-based capture button dedicated to quickly triggering image or video capture. The button will add features like the ability to zoom in and out by swiping left and right on the button, focus on a subject with a light press, and activate a recording with a more forceful press. The capture button will be located on the bottom right side of the iPhone 16 and will take the place of the Wave antenna on US iPhone models, with the antenna relocating to the left side of the device below the volume and action buttons. These are the 6 major upgrades in the camera system of upcoming iPhone 16 models. Share your thoughts about these upgrades and make sure to subscribe for more updates. The iPhone 15 Pro was a fairly significant upgrade over the iPhone 14 Pro in 2023, introducing a new design with a titanium frame, slimmer bezels, the action button, a USB-C port, and more. The iPhone 16 Pro's upgrades will likely not be as substantial as its predecessors. After over a year of rumors, there are now 5 major upgrades and improvements expected to be offered by the iPhone 16 Pro models later this year. Both iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to feature larger displays than their predecessors. Pushing the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the biggest iPhone ever offered. There are also reportedly improvements to the underlying OLED technology in store. For this time, Apple will use a 6.3-inch OLED display for iPhone 16 Pro and a 6.9-inch OLED display for iPhone 16 Pro Max, as compared to 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch display for iPhone 15 Pro models. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to bring notable improvements in processing power, thermal management, and connectivity. From a more powerful A18 Pro chip to advanced thermal designs and enhanced connectivity options, including the latest Wi-Fi standards. These changes promise to further update the iPhone's basic specifications. In camera department, the iPhone 16 Pro models are slated to receive a range of substantial camera enhancements, such as a larger main camera sensor, a 48-megapixel sensor on the ultra-wide camera, and a dedicated hardware button for photography and videography on the side of the device. The iPhone 16 Pro models could receive some major improvements in battery technology and charging, sporting bigger, denser batteries and faster charging capabilities. While many of Apple's devices are rumored to receive a series of new AI-based features via software updates later this year, the iPhone 16 Pro models are expected to take these further with exclusive capabilities and an upgraded microphone. The iPhone 15 Pro was a fairly significant upgrade over the iPhone 14 Pro in 2023. Introducing a new design with a titanium frame, slimmer bezels, the action button, a USB-C port, and more. The iPhone 16 Pro's upgrades will likely not be as substantial as those offered by its predecessor. As a result, most iPhone 15 Pro users will have little reason to upgrade. But some who would appreciate a larger display, better cameras, and a dedicated button for photography and videography features may find it worthwhile. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more updates. And I see you in the next one. Peace out.